This is a monthly reading for you Pisces for the month of September. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the month looking, and then I will do Reiki distance healing to balance the chakras for you. Please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Pisces, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So, what is the area of improvement or focus for you? What is the strength you can work with? How will be your social interactions or dealings with people? What is it that is unexpected and coming your way? And how's overall the month of September looking? Also, before I start the reading, do read my newsletter for the month of September. It is written, designed, and built with lot of love, and I share all my clairvoyant gifts in it. I am very big with tarot. I share my tarot visions and lot of things about tarot, rune stones, Reiki healing. I am also a master Reiki healer, and I write articles, at least two or three articles in a week on LinkedIn profile. So you will get that link to my newsletter as well as to LinkedIn on my description page. To download my newsletter, you will need to click on the link which will take you to Gumroad. And Gumroad is a site on which you just need to enter a price. So if you want to gift me, send me some money, you can write an amount. Otherwise, just enter a simple zero and you can download the newsletter for free. The reason I'm doing it is Patreon has disabled my attachment feature right now in the post. So I don't know what may be the reason. So they said they will put it back up, but then till then Gumroad, the newsletter is available on the Gumroad. And as I was telling you about the Reiki healing, I'm very big with Reiki as well. I'm a master healer. Not just ailments, I also heal people suffering from trauma. If you would like a distance healing, you can request it. And if you want to read more about my recipient experiences, people who take Reiki healing from me and what experiences they have, how they have healed, you should read all the articles that are there on LinkedIn. I post some of them on Patreon also. So there's a reason these platforms are not one, but any one platform is not perfect for all, because you see LinkedIn, after I post my articles, some articles I can't find, I don't know where they go, and it's just a difficult thing to manage LinkedIn. So I have also started posting those articles on Patreon. So you want to see, check all those links on my description box. Anyhow, so I'll get started, Pisces, with your reading. So this is a general reading, as I said, so not everything will resonate with all Pisces, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So what is the area of improvement? Your area of improvement is not to self-doubt, and you are told to not hold back just because you got criticized or told that take help or you can't do it alone. So the one thing you may do wrong in the month of September is hold back your plans and not go ahead just because somebody said it. So you want to go ahead, not take complete feedback as the absolute truth. You want to believe more in yourself also. Now, how's the strength? What is the strength you can work with in the month of September? Pisces, you need to know that just the way there is an up or you experience an upswing, there is always and there will be a downside, or there is a downtime. So you're going to experience that downtime maybe in the month of September. And the good part is it's showing up as a strength. It is the time for you to learn. It is the time for you to work on your talents and skills and make most of this downtime. So it's coming as a beautiful gift, as a strength. So you're going to make the most of it. Some of you may join a certain short course. Maybe if you get a feedback or you feel there's a skill gap in you, you want to just patch that gap by taking some kind of a course or a training. Now, how will be your social interactions or dealings with people? You don't want to meet too many people who are out of your social circle. You want to keep your boundary very tight, intact and close, and you want to do things that you're happy with. When I see this guidance, it's just saying that while the person is surrounded with luxury and a lot of money, in the reverse it's saying that stay true to this energy. And sometimes you may feel suffocated with just people who are very much like you, but then this is the guidance. You're not spending too much time trying to overreach or outreach or get to know too many people socially. Just keep your circle very close knit and in close knit and very tight, and it's all looking good. Some of you may feel there's money is less, so maybe ask around your friends, they could help you in some way. So what is it that is unexpected and coming along? There is a certain opportunity, money making opportunity coming your way, and it's not a small money making opportunity, it's a big money making opportunity. You see, this is a page which the someone who wears a hat or a headgear and is holding a coin. This person is well to do, is well learned, and then he or she is breaking out into a certain financial opportunity. That is what is coming your way. So while you may be seeing a certain downtime, there's something very good also coming along your way money wise. So how's overall the month of September? See, one thing is, if you look at the cards, all the cards are in the reverse except for this card. Your area of improvement is in reverse, strength card is in reverse, social interactions is in reverse, and this card also shows up in reverse. When the guidance is in reverse, it's just saying that you're not playing to the most of your potential, you're holding back, you're not doing the most with all that you have got. So you want to live more life and go and do things that that have your calling, or that have your heart, or that have your mind to it. So don't hold back. That's the guidance that I'm getting. Also with the hangman in the reverse is saying that some of you have normalized living in pain. It's almost like if you are in a difficulty, you have stopped fighting for it, you stopped trying to change it, you've normalized it, you've accepted that it's going to be this way and it's just going to be pathetic and painful. So the guidance is, as I said, since so many cards are in the reverse, you need to find the strength within. So I'm going to charge your solar plexus so that you have a very beautiful, strong, vibrant I, the identity I, that you have faith in yourself that you can make the change. So I'm going to charge the solar plexus with Reiki distance healing.